Many companies, once a year, even more often, go and have team building events. Some staff love it, some staff hate it, most put up with it because it's all about doing funny and silly things just to get camaraderie going there. We don't do that. What we do is something called collaborative team tasks. So what's the difference? Well, a collaborative team task is designed around specific outcomes that the company are wanting to achieve. What we do is we design tasks according to what you are wanting to get out, what your staff need to learn from it. Commonly, we highlight leadership skills, communication skills, and we get people to demonstrate their ability to work as a team and together when they all have a specific and common goal in mind. And when we take the dynamics of what happens within the group when we are doing collaborative team tasks, and you then bring that back into the workplace, that's where we see shifts and positive changes. So a collaborative team task is not just about having fun, although they are fun, but it's about getting the learnings out of it. At the end of every task, we sit and we unpack what was the learning, what was noticed, and we do a whole session on it like that. At Keep Talking 2, our workshops and our presentations are very interactive. And when we deal with companies, we offer them an advantage of also incorporating some collaborative team tasks within those workshops and those presentations, because we know that that will enhance and take the learnings to an even higher level. So why not contact Neil or myself today and see what we can do for you and your company to get them to work as a team. And collaborative team tasks is one of the most interactive possible ways of doing this. So go on, give us a call.